Honey! Oh my god! Kitchen looks like it's a professional kitchen over here. You got the lightings on and everything. Looks like Gori chef is cooking, ready to cook. What are you making tonight?
I'm making a light meal because we ate rice today, so I'm making chicken 65 dry with cabbage salad on the side.
Oh, okay, something.
And a kale salad. You like cabbage salad, but I like my kale salad, so two different types of salad.
Okay, let's see what you got. All right, what do you got over here?
I'm shredding the carrots for the cabbage salad.
Cabbage, cilantro, green chili,
This is for
and
the...
scraper. Look at that cabbage.
That's carrots.
Oh my goodness. Shredding. Is that what you call ASMR? Like making noise? Like.
No, they like them quiet kind of noises.
Oh. While Mama is cooking over here, Lavesh is nicely chilling out, watching his computer. I don't know what he's watching, but he's eating his grapes. You eating your grapes, baby? Yes, grapes. Mixing. Salad. That's what it looks like.
So for making chicken 65, you want to start out by cubing your chicken. I have about 1 kg. Salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more if you like it hotter. You can add less if you don't like it as hot. A teaspoon of garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon of coriander, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Then we'll mix. All right, once everything is nice and combined, like so, we're going to add in our curd. And that will be 4 tablespoons. We'll add in 1 heaping tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I like to add a lot. I like ginger and garlic. 1/2 of a lime. Okay, and then you want to put in a sprig of curry leaves. I just chopped them a little bit with my scissors. You can chop them with your knife as well. And just give everything a nice mix. Once you get everything nice and combined, it will look like this. Just pop on the lid and let it marinate overnight.
One over here.
Egg for my chicken 65. Look at that.
Ooh.
I already marinated it. Now I'm just going to add my egg. 1 egg. Why are you licking your lips? You hungry already?
Yep. You know I'm always hungry. What is that?
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch.
We need 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and then 2 tablespoons of rice flour.
Okay. Mix it with your hand. What is that?
That is just a little bit of red food
Sauce?
Red sauce.
You mean your secret sauce?
No.
Secret recipe artist. Alright, let's go. Alright, mix that real good. Chicken. Cooking time!
Cooking time.
Chicken frying time, guys. Chicken
Chicken
going in the
frying.
oil. You know what? I seen a guy frying some chicken in some other, I think it was Pakistan. It was maybe India. That oil looked like engine oil, like it was dark.
That means they've been reusing it.
Never changed it. Oh my God. Look at them. Nice and colorful. They're coming nice and colorful, guys. Look. Boom. Going inside. Oh, I love the smell.
Just wait till you smell the curry leaves frying.
Oh!
That's gonna be the best part.
Guys, here the oil For everybody who keeps asking how Jessica doesn't gain weight and stays skinny, this is what she eats, guys. Salad. She eats cow meal. Salad is for what? Cows.
It's good for digestion. It's good for everything. Many benefits.
Oh, you know how to shake the salad, huh? Look at you. Professional. Batch.
Fini.
Dun-dun-dun.
Look at that nice color.
Hot.
Heat your pan. Put some of the oil which you fried your chicken in the pan.
And?
Chilis.
Oh my God.
Back up, back up, back up.
Be careful, guys, huh? This is splattering.
You ready?
Oh my God.
This is the best.
Best part.
I already washed them.
Everybody says that this camera is better recording.
Ready?
Go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh, yum yum. Ooh, damn, professional. Damn, look at that. Damn. Don't break the stove.
It's a glass stove. That thing isn't working real well. Perfect, no? Perfect. Perfect.
Perfect, Ray.
Perfect, Ray.
Perfect.
Perfect, Ray. No, Baba? Baba, perfect. It's chicken 65. Who wants to eat? Alright, dinner's ready. Jopayo.
Ooh, what we got today?
Yummy, some onion. A lime.
Oh, you gave me two different salad. Oh, you gave me the American salad too.
So you can try.
Okay, I'll try.
Yeah.
He's ready. Look over here. Look. Bum bum.
And me. You want some?
Okay, Dada give you. Ali.
Alright, so let's try.
Okay. यहाँ पर भगवान को पहला यहाँ पर. You want some? Ow. You want some? Okay. Okay.
It's hot, he said.
You want it? Yeah. Go.
No, you can't have that, baby.
Oh, let me try your American salad.
Okay, try.
The chicken
You're
really
not
good,
for anything like really healthy like that. I don't think you're gonna like it. Baby's putting lemon on your salad or lime.
Not bad. I can eat it.
It's full of everything, all the superfoods.
Really good. And my salad.
He
want
said
it?
yes.
Chicken. Good.
Best now.
Guys, look.
Look, it's well marinated.
Yummy.
All right, guys, my turn. Hartish said he doesn't want to be in the video today, so.
He's tired.
As you can see, a lot of salad. Chicken 65. Juicy, no? Very soft.
Guys, it's so good.
Very soft, flavorful, juicy, and easy, guys. Try the recipe.
How long had I been marinating? How long?
Since morning time.
Oh.
You can leave it overnight. It'll be even more flavorful, but I left it since morning. That's way enough time. All right, guys. Lavish says bye. Say bye. If you like the video, tell them, share and follow for more. Say, yes. Bye, guys.